Ruto atumire thabari ya guthi Uganda juma hetuku ari na mbuto ya abunge kuma gicua-ini Rift Valley, Embu na gatagati ka bururi. Icera ria Ruto na atongoria aya rikimatwara kinyagia kuri President wa Uganda Yoweri Museveni uria umanyitite ugeni thingira-ini wa iregi wa Mubende, Uganda.
Na huyu anatoka Kiambu. Na huyu ni wako.
Icera ria Ruto riri ria gutugwo ni President Museveni uria wiriga kuga thirikari yake ni gwaka ruhonge rwa mathomo ma maundu ma Afrika thiini wa university ngumo thi yothe ya Makerere, na ruhonge ruu rugwitanio na William Ruto kumana na kiria Museveni augite ni wirutaniria wake gukinya nginya gikiro-ini gia gutuika munini wa president.
I thank you for accepting to champion the establishment of the William Ruto African Institute for Leadership at Makerere University at this crucial stage in Africa's development. There could have been no better person to champion this cause than the youthful and energetic William Samoei Ruto.
University-ini wa Makerere, Ruto anyititwo ugeni ni utongoria wa university ino kuria aruguritie mwako wa ruhonge ruru na kuga ni ihinda rugano rwa andu a gitaru giiki kia Afrika ya irathiro na Afrika yothe rutaririo ni aria marui handu-ini ha ageni.
Our intellectuals should be able to understand us better. As I have said here, you find all manner of people, intellectuals, professionals, even people in the street in Europe, trying to discuss Africa and to pretend to understand our challenges and to even try to suggest solutions when they barely understand what we are, what we believe in, our values, our norms, and our understanding and our logic.
That's why I would like to invite colleague politicians, instead of demonstrating in town, going to disturb market vendors, come to the university and engage in debate.
Ruto ningi ni ahinyiriirie mabururi ma gitaru kia Afrika ya irathiro manyitane makiria kiuteti niguo makahota kwaria na mugambo ukurugamirira andu aingi.
We are very courageous people. You know, sometimes when you think of a president of a country with 20-30 million people having a meeting with the president of China with 1.5 billion people, and it is supposed to be a meeting of equals, it's quite a stretch.
Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen,
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, jitagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.